What is a stereotype about your major?
That everyone in my major watches Game of Thrones.
Oh, okay.
So, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi everyone, I'm Zara. I'm sophomore and I major in communication.
My name is Philip and I'm a reporter for Aggie Studios.
Hey y'all, my name is Alyssa. I'm a third year environmental science and management major, public health minor.
Today you're going to be guessing the majors of 5 UC Davis students. You're going to have a set time to ask them questions to help you make your final guess, and afterwards they'll tell you whether you guessed correctly or not. So how confident do you feel today?
I think I'm pretty confident. Yeah, because I prepared some questions.
I didn't really prepare for it, but we're just gonna go with it.
I'm very confident. I can guess within 2 minutes.
What do you think your strategy is going to be?
Okay, honestly, I know we're not supposed to judge people on appearance, but that's my first thing. I think I'm gonna go based off first impression, try to get the vibe.
I have my ways.
I'm gonna ask questions related to like stereotypes.
Okay, so what's your goal? How many students do you want to get correct?
Okay, my goal is like 3.
I'm aiming to guess like 2 to 3.
Just one.
I'm going to give you a list of majors to help you make your guess. So everything on that list is a real major at Davis.
Okay, hopefully I'll meet an entomology major. That's pretty interesting.
Medieval studies. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, we'll have our first student.
Hello.
What is your name?
Courtney.
Courtney, nice to meet you.
Right off the bat, I love your earrings, okay?
Thank you.
It's like a bee moment, giving pollinator, and you have flowers on your shirt.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking something nature.
Please tell me what your favorite color is.
Blue.
Does any of your major like fit with the stereotype that people can make much money from it after graduation?
What is your favorite building on campus?
My favorite building on campus is the library.
Would you say your major is typically like small?
Yeah.
Okay,
How many hours do you spend doing schoolwork?
A day, maybe like 4 or 5.
did you know your major was available when you got to Davis?
No.
What are your plans after graduation?
I am applying to grad school to get my PhD.
Since you said you're going to grad school and you love the library 4 to 5 hours, that's not humanities.
Does any of your major is STEM?
No.
What is a stereotype about your major?
That everyone in my major watches Game of Thrones.
Oh, okay. Would you say your hardest class you've taken for your major was?
Maybe like one of my favorite classes.
Okay, yeah, so
Was
positive.
it was a seminar on Queen Elizabeth I.
Okay.
Marine and coastal science?
No.
Okay,
I guess one of your major is psychology, the other is cinema and digital media.
No.
Both of them are wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so because you said like Queen Elizabeth, I'm getting like historical royalty vibes, and I just learned about medieval studies while I looked at this paper, and I didn't even know that was a thing. So are you a medieval studies major?
That is one of my majors.
Oh my god! Wow, that was really good. You're a double major. Is it related to one another?
Yes.
Okay, so are you a classics major?
No.
No, that's okay. I got one of them.
English and history.
English is correct.
Are you an English major?
Yes.
This was really good. What a great start this is.
So I'm a double major in English and medieval studies.
You know what? The B's really kind of threw me off.
what made you choose your majors?
I've always really loved English because I feel like there's a lot you can do with it, and with medieval studies, I just feel like a lot of what happens today is built on foundations that were in that period, so it kind of goes along with my major and is interesting to learn about. So.
She guess you. She guess you correctly.
Yes.
Seriously.
Hello.
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 What is your name?
I'm Dylan.
Dylan, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Computer science.
No.
Right off the bat, it's not really giving me much.
Is it a STEM major?
Yes.
What is your typical major stereotype?
People like to get out in the field. People like to get their hands dirty.
Is it a popular major in UC Davis?
I'd say so, yeah. It's one of the big ones.
Do we have a lot of programs and resources dedicated to your major?
I'd say so, yeah.
What are your plans after graduation?
Let's get into a 4-year graduate program, hopefully.
Is it related to like engineering?
No, it's not.
Wildlife?
No.
Environmental science?
No.
Is this all the majors?
Yeah.
Sorry. Okay. I'm like, where's the agriculture? I'm looking at A and it only says like aerospace and animal science.
Animal science.
Yeah, it is animal science. How did you get that?
How many minutes?
Is it animal science?
It is animal
Oh! Are you an animal science major?
science. I am.
Sometimes the answer is just so simple. Like, you just gotta stop overthinking it.
There's different tracks that you can take in animal science. There's like companion animals, there's cattle, there's pigs, goats, sheep, fish, stuff like that. There's also like genetics, nutrition.
What made you choose your major?
I just really liked working with animals as a kid. My plans after graduation is to hopefully get into vet school.
UC Davis.
Yeah.
Top in the country.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello,
What is your name?
I'm Matthew Wang.
Matthew Wang. Nice to meet you. Aloha.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. I'm like,
Like I should say.
he said, I feel like I should sit.
What do you like or dislike most about any of your majors?
I like the content of both of them. I think that they work really well together. Sometimes the work can be just really confusing sometimes.
Okay.
What is your major stereotype?
Major stereotypes? Bizarre.
Are your majors like correlated to each other? Like, do they overlap?
It's pretty loose.
Are both of your majors STEM?
One of them you can make the argument, the other one definitely not.
What is your hardest class to get into?
Like calc?
What are your plans after graduation?
I have no idea.
You know what? That's honestly so valid.
Does any of your major fit the stereotype that people can make much money off it after graduation?
I wouldn't say that's like as soon as you're out of college, you're just immediately making like over 100K salary, but I think people realize that there's potential to.
Oh my gosh. I think this one is like actually stumping me.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I am a hobbyist barista.
Oh my gosh. Like making coffee.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Are you a poli-sci major?
No.
Damn.
Computer science and psychology.
Both of those are wrong.
Oh. Are you a linguistics major?
No.
Damn.
Economics.
That's actually one of them, yeah.
Science and technology studies and economics.
Economics is right.
Okay.
And then the other one was CDM. Cinema and
Oh.
I'm CDM and econ.
No! Oh my god, I was thinking econ.
You got econ, but then it's CDM.
What? CDM and econ?
Yeah.
What made you choose those majors?
Well, CDM I chose first because I'm a photographer, and then
Oh.
econ because I needed something a bit more practical.
Oh, I was gonna ask you whether you played basketball.
No.
Oh, you're just like genetics. This is genetics.
Yeah, it's
You
just
drink a lot of milk?
elective.
Hello.
Hello. What is your name?
Veda.
Gosh, I love.
Thank you.
Did you crochet it?
I did.
Okay, crocheter.
What do you do on your free time?
I guess baking, cooking.
Describe a typical person within your major.
Very friendly,
Okay.
very supportive,
Aw.
camaraderie vibes.
Nice.
Yeah.
Now, what is one stereotype?
Money driven.
Oh.
Why did you choose that major?
I watched a movie when I was in 9th grade. I won't disclose the movie, but I was like, wow, that's cool.
You're giving like farmer's market vibes, and so like, are you like outdoorsy?
Yeah, I like going outdoors.
Okay.
Do you bike around?
No, my tire broke and I never fixed it.
Is your work like biology based?
Yeah.
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 Would you say you deal with like water?
No.
Would you say you do a lot of work with like cells?
Yeah.
Okay, cells.
What was like the toughest class you had to do?
Interpersonal communication competence.
Does your major needs many like hands-on and go outdoors?
No.
Have you ever done work with like, I don't know, like a microscope or something?
Haven't we all?
Okay, that's a good one. That's a good one. But would you say you do more work with a microscope than like others?
I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Is your major managerial economics?
Computer science?
No.
Are you environmental science?
No.
Oh, damn.
Poli-sci.
Neurobiology?
No.
Are you an MPB major?
No.
Damn. Okay, what are you?
I'm a biotech major.
No.
You're very close. It's biotech.
What is it?
Biotech.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Why
Yeah.
biotech?
Yeah, why biotech?
Well, it's very broad. You can study like plant breeding and stuff and like making plants optimized. You can do animal stuff, which I don't really understand what that means. Or like you can go into microbiome and even like data science-y things with bioinformatics. So it's like a lot of different things.
Hello.
My name is Ian.
Ian, nice to meet you. Hello.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
What's the stereotype about your major?
People are generally pretty introverted, but they're also really outdoorsy type people.
So do you guys have outdoor activities in class?
Some classes, yeah, and then research can also be outdoors.
What excites you about your major?
The hands-on aspect and the research opportunities. Yeah.
Why did you choose that major?
I really like the field of study, and it was a change of career path.
Are you able to list some of the opportunities available?
It's mainly like lab work and
Okay.
field work.
So both.
Yes.
So field work as in like nature.
Yes.
Yeah.
Is your major like a popular major?
No, I don't think so.
It's pretty niche.
It is pretty niche, yeah.
What is the hardest class you have to take?
So far, probably Gen Chem.
So when you do your field work, are you like near a body of water?
I mean, I haven't done much field work yet,
Okay.
but I can be, but I don't think that's important necessarily.
Does it relate to biology?
Yes.
Is it neurobiology?
No.
Would you happen to be like wildlife and fish and conservation? No.
Yeah.
Okay, that's okay.
Is it conservation biology?
No.
Part of me just really wants to say entomology because it was like really niche.
Entomology.
Yeah. You got it. Oh. The heck? I was not expecting that.
Are you entomology?
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my god! Wait, okay, yay! We ended off so good. Boom!
Entomology is the study of insects, so it's like a niche field of ecology.
Why did you choose your major?
I switched from biosci in freshman year because I wanted to go more ecology because I was originally going to go pre-med. It's a lot of like field work, going out and studying different species and like ecosystem interactions.
What are your thoughts on Ant-Man?
Okay.
Are you a Marvel fan?
I was.
You was?
I kind of fell off of Marvel though, after
After
Endgame.
So how was today for you?
It was good.
I honestly did a lot better than I thought I would. I think I guessed 3 people, which was really good out of 5.
Well, I started very good, but didn't end very well.
What did we learn today?
Stereotypes are not always true.
I learned that we have a medieval studies major and that we have a lot of like really cool, super niche opportunities here at Davis.
Asking reasonable questions that may lead up to the major is actually all nonsense. I really went with my gut feeling and the answers did not betray me.
Thanks for watching.
My name's Alyssa.
I'm Zara.
I'm Philip
And stay tuned
for All Things Aggie.